You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
A Chinese tipster had revealed at the beginning of this month that the Huawei Nova 7 series of smartphones will debut on April 23. However, Huawei remained mum on the arrival of the Nova 7 lineup. Today, the Confirmed released a post on Weibo to confirm that it will be announcing the Nova 7 phones on April 23. The poster released by the company, which confirms the Huawei Nova 7 launch date, showcases the vertical camera setup placed at the upper left corner of its rear. The setup can include as many as 4 cameras, along with an LED flash. The company did not reveal any information on the specs of the Nova 7 models. Rumors surrounding the Huawei Nova 7 series have revealed that it comprises of 3 5G-ready devices, such as Nova 7 SE, Nova 7 and Nova 7 Pro. It is speculated that 3 phones could be powered by Kirin 825G, Kirin 985 5G, and Kirin 995G. They are expected to be priced between 2,000 yuan ($282) and 4,000 yuan ($565) in the home market. A leaked poster of Huawei Nova 7 series that is now being circulated on Weibo has revealed the key specs and design of the Nova 7 smartphone. It revealed that the smartphone draws power from the new Kirin 985 chipset. After the Honor 30 phone that was unveiled yesterday, the Nova 7 will be the second phone to arrive with the new 7nm chipset that clocks at 2.58 GHz. The Nova 7 sports a curved display with a dual punch hole at the upper left corner that will most likely accommodate 2 front-facing cameras. The rear-facing quad camera system of the Nova 7 includes a periscope zoom lens that supports up to 50x digital zoom. The handset can be seen in 3 colors like red, purple and gradient white. It is expected to arrive with 40-watt fast charging support.